What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. By the title of the video, you guys should already know what the hell is going on. So I went ahead and I got myself some NRG Prisma seats, the racing seats. This is what they look like. They're the Ultra. I honestly just love how it looks. This is the back. So I had made a video when I installed the Sparkle seat, but unfortunately I always wanted the fronts to match. But getting another one of these was like in the thousands just for one pair, or like just for the other set. So I honestly didn't want to spend that much on seats, so I went ahead and I sold it to my boy right here with the Miata, and I got myself these NRG ones. I got both of them. One's already in the car, and as you guys can see, the car's on RPF ones right now just because my wheels are getting redone, the T37. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how to build these. I got everything basically. I got the rails. Well, the rails already come with the seat. I have the sliders and then the bracket that bolts right onto the car that I need to put on this. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys. So the bracket and the sliders come separate. So when you order the sliders, this is what you come with, which is the handle that you pull with, 2 railings, and of course your bolts and stuff. And then when you order the bracket, it's obviously just the bracket. So everything came out to $1,100, which is honestly pretty fucking cheap for 2 seats with everything to get bolted on, comparing to the Sparkle seat, which was like $1,000, like $300 for just one. So driving wise, I like Sparkle one just because it hugs you a little bit more. These are more kind of like just looks because it's a little bit more comfortable. But the Sparkle one, I'm gonna miss it, honestly. It was honestly like a pretty cool seat. But anyways, let's get straight to installing this. On my driver's side, I reused my Sparkle bracket, so if that's your guys' issue, you guys could actually reuse your Sparkle bracket and you guys don't have to get 2 new ones. But yeah, I'm gonna use this one, and then we're gonna show you guys, or I'm gonna show you guys how to install everything. So when you face your seat, face it like how I have it right now. And then your sliders, they have like this little lever thing. Make sure that the little wire that's hooked on is facing like your feet. That way the handle thing is so you push it upwards with you, and then it'll push this down, and then it'll help you. So what I did was have somebody help you out, push this down, and then the little lever thing right here, I don't know if you guys are able to see, so that it has like a little column. Push it upwards and then get the bolt. I usually just do the Allen bolt with a washer, and then through the back I use one of the other like pressure or like these washers, and then the bolt. And then to get, so whichever one you get, so if you get the bottom one, do it again and then push it downwards and then get the bolt right here. I don't know if you guys can see how I have mine right there, but yeah, that's how you do it, just so you guys could get it, because this is on the thing. And I forgot to mention too, so the slider has 2 sides. It has a side with a little column and then a flat side. So the flat side goes up against your butt, and then the flat thing goes facing like to the bottom of the floor. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead, that's how you get the bolts. And then I'll show you guys the next part. Let me just bolt these up. You're gonna do the same thing with this side, exactly how you did on this side, on that side. Remember the little lever thing right here, so you see how this wire is like attached to this, that goes facing your feet down there, that way it's right. And give me a second, I'm gonna show you guys when I'm already now that bend the other one towards me and then make it fit. So let me see. Alrighty guys, so it's a whole brand new day. It's been like 2 days. Unfortunately I was having trouble with these. I got it in, but the thing is my airbag and my seatbelt light kept going off. and I did everything exactly how I did the driver's side, and I never had an issue with the driver's side. But now I realized why. Down here I have the occupancy sensor light. That was hard to say. Or not light, the sensor. So on your stock seat you have like a sensor that goes like under the cushion of the stock seat, and you have to literally rip your seat open and take this whole thing off and then slap it under your bucket seat, and then you connect it back in there just so that the light can go off. It was a pain in the ass, to be honest. I'll leave a link down to the video that helped me out, but I finally got it in. And last night I didn't have it under the seat, I just had it like laying on the floor, and it stopped beeping. So I'm hoping that it stops beeping again. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and throw these seats in, and then I'll get back to you guys when I'm done. So I'm gonna go ahead and connect everything how I had it last night. I don't know if that's the correct way, but it was working last night, so I'm gonna just go ahead and do that again. So this is from your seatbelt thing. You connect it over to the yellow, of course, just like so. And then the one that comes out of your floor should have a gray one. You can obviously connect it to the gray one. Get to the gray one. Like that. And then I believe you leave this white one alone, and then your other yellow one, this is where I have the resistor. I think I showed it in the first video where I installed my sparkle one, so go ahead and watch that one. You literally just plug in the resistors to the two middle ones, and then you put electrical tape around it, and that should be it. Now I'm gonna just hide these wires down here so that nobody gets to see them, and then I'm gonna go ahead and bolt the seat back on and hope it works. And there we go, guys. No airbag light and no seatbelt light, so it all worked out. So I'll leave the link down below, because I would have recorded it, but I don't know what the fuck I was doing, because I mean, I thought it was gonna be the same shit as the driver's seat, but unfortunately it wasn't. So I had to run into a little bump in the road, but we finally got it, so I'm kind of happy. The only thing is that now it kind of looks kind of janky with that cardboard under, but I guess I'll leave it like that for now. And then if somebody ever decides to help me out with that, I'll freaking upgrade it or whatever. But for now, yeah, we're done. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys have a great day. And I'm about to start recording another video, because as you guys can see, I am on RPF 1s, and I never explained where my TE37s went. But stay tuned for the next video. I'll show you guys what happened to the T37s. But anyways, peace out.